You know what?
It's okay, honey.
No, but every time he has to have a bath, it really upsets me that somebody would drown an animal. There he is. He's probably just getting resigned to it now. He's probably, gosh darn it.
He's actually doing pretty good because most dogs will put their nose right here or right here because that way it doesn't go right in their face. He's actually walking around. So
Yeah,
he's probably trying to find a place to get out.
he's been with his head facing the other way. There you go, baby. So the water shoots right at him because there's nozzles on the back wall.
Well, this would be his bath for the year, huh?
It'll stop in here about 2 minutes and then
Okay.
it'll go through a shampoo reaction time.
Okay.
So you'll see him roam around and then it'll start rinsing him again.
Okay. Thank you. Aren't you cute? Look at him. He's an old kitty pie. Oh, you talkie boy. You're talkie boy. He's been to the kennel. Yeah. I'm sorry. Get over here.
Me and I'll hop to get her out of there. I gotta switch them out.
Oh, you're all right.
It's a 2-dog process.
Little bite, right?
No, they just get way too excited with other dogs.
Stay. Stay. Bring him down.
Oh, look at him. Switch.
Oh, you're a brindle. Get in there. I love the brindle. Where are you going?
Look at you, sweetie. Oh,
Get in there.
it's a little lovey.
Stay.
That's a good boy, you say. Hi, Boo. He's over here in the corner.
Whoa, get down.
Nice.
Down.
Hi, Boo. Hi, look at you. Oh, hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. He says that's more than rain. Hi, buddy. Shake it out.
Booze.
Shake it out. Shake it out, Bubby. Oh, look, he's pissed. Hi, Boo. Look at. Hi, puppies. He's like that one. Look at him. All right, you're about to get shampooed. He's like, traitor. Oh. Look at him. Oh. You gonna be okay, buddy?
Come here. Let me see.
You gonna be okay. Yeah, you're gonna be okay.
You want to go outside?
He looked like that one on his face.
Right on his head.
You're gonna be okay.
Oh, he's gonna smell so much better though.
I know, gosh. You're gonna have to have a whole clean, I have to clean your bed and everything now. You need fresh doggy. He's looking like, hurry up, just let me out of here. Oh, let me have some water. You okay?
Sure.
You do okay, yeah. I think it's getting ready.
Hi, boo boo. Oh, there it goes.
Yep. Let me out, let me out, let me out. Here, buddy. Hi, boo. I see you. Yes. He's walking around. Okay.
How are we doing?
He's doing all right. He's huffing and puffing in there. He's not too happy, but
Is it soap time?
No, it's preparing to dry now.
Oh. Now you're seeing, look at that, you're already done.
But I'm not quite sure if I want to open up the door and towel dry them.
no.
No.
Don't open? Don't open?
Oh, no.
Okay.
No.
Well, it's just going to help them dry off a little bit better. We try to towel dry them so that they...
Yeah, let him do this, and then when he comes out, we'll grab him then, because he might be more acceptable.
What's the matter, honey? Did I come back here to save you? I don't think so. Yeah.
Just a little more.
I don't think so, love.
Just a little more, you're almost done.
Yep, you're going through dying time now, love. Yes, you are.
Poor thing.
I don't think he shot out any sun.
Okay, come on. Let me get you down.
I don't know if that was soap or not.
Yeah, me.
Yes. Come on. Get on the floor. Can't put all four wheels on the ground yet. Okay, let's go. Come on.
We're gonna get you.
You got her on? Come on.
Okay, it's okay.
Come on.
Yeah, it's okay. He's gonna be, now he's gonna be skeptical when we take him for a ride, and he's like, it's only me? Where are we going? Almost done. Get her out?
You guys have a great weekend.
You do.
I guess it's drying now?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Nope, not yet. It's,
No.
it's preparing to
Oh,
dry.
there we go.
Was this the
Look at him!
the soap cycle? Was it? Is it pretty short?
The soap cycle? Yeah. Yeah, so it's already rinsed.
You're okay.
He's mad.
Yeah, he is. I'm sorry, little man. You're gonna feel so much better. Oh, you're gonna feel so much better. Here, I'm gonna, when it's done, I'll grab him now. He's gonna be running out of here. Look at him.